Most, if not all, email service providers like Gmail has an interesting feature where you can add a plus sign after your Gmail address and it will still get your inbox. The feature, often called as plus addressing technique, is basically an unlimited number of email addresses to play with within a single inbox. It also works with a period in your email address. Here's how it works. Let's say your email address is johndoe@gmail.com and you want to automatically label all your work emails. Add a plus sign and a phrase to make it johndoe plus work@gmail.com and set up a filter to label it work. This way all the emails sent to that address will automatically be labeled and you can further filter them out with more customizations, like starring it, archiving or auto-forwarding extra. As mentioned, you can also add a dot, also known as a period, to create a distinct email ID and it will still deliver it to your original email address. To access your filters, just go to settings in your Gmail, click on filters and create a filter for messages addressed to johndoe plus work@gmail.com. Then add the label work. This is not just to organize your inbox, but you can also use it to find out who is spamming you. Be sure to use plus addressing technique for every form or mailing list you will fill out and give each site a different plus address. Gmail has amazing spam filtering that is built in. Although you do not need extra spam filtering for Gmail, this is especially useful for things such as mailing lists. I hope you liked this video. If so, please share the love by sharing this video with your friends and families and make their lives easier as well. Thanks for watching.